Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're bringing you a delicious banana bread recipe. This is a simple recipe to make, so let's get started. First we will prepare the pan. Take a loaf pan, we're using an 8x4 loaf pan. Grease it with melted butter and then add parchment paper on the bottom. Then take 2 to 3 ripe bananas. It is recommended to have 3 ripe bananas, but we only had 2 at the time. Mash the bananas. In a separate bowl, take 1½ cup of all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Add a pinch of salt. Add 3/4 cup of sugar. You can use ½ cup if you like it to be more sweet. Mix all of these ingredients together. Now add the mashed bananas. Mix it all together. Add 1/3 cup of melted butter. Make sure you mix the mixture after each ingredient that you add. Add 1 beaten egg. Mix everything nicely for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can use a machine as well to mix it in low settings. Add ½ teaspoon of vanilla powder. You can use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract instead. Add ½ cup of chocolate chips. We're using milk chocolate chips. And then add 2 tablespoons of lukewarm water. Mix it all together. Then add this mixture into the prepared loaf pan. Spread it out evenly. This is an optional step. We're adding crushed almonds. You can add any roasted nuts of your choice. Now preheat the oven at 350°F and bake it for about 35 to 40 minutes. At around 25 minutes, do the toothpick test. Insert a toothpick, and if it comes out clean, then you are done. Otherwise, do the complete 35 to 40 minutes. Cut them into slices. The delicious banana bread are ready to be served. These are delicious to eat. It's just snacks, coffee, tea. Enjoy this recipe. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If you have any suggestions or want us to try a different recipe of your choice, please comment in the comment section below. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit that bell icon so you can receive our next video as soon as we upload them. Thank you and goodbye.